you're welcome back to the Chima Dedicated video channel. In this video, I want to show you this newly launched system. Yes, I shared one of the updates yesterday on how to register. Now, actually, when you register on a program like this, it's not just watching and looking around. The first thing you're going to do next is to make deposits. And once you make deposits, it doesn't stop there, because what I want to teach you in this video is how to invest. Now, why am I making this video? Because a lot of people think that depositing is the same thing as investing. No. You may make deposit and your money is already there. And you're waiting hourly, daily. You're not seeing anything coming up. What you do is like, these people are there already dealing with me. You have made deposit, your money is still there. You've not invested it. Now, let me give you an instance, for instance. Now, just let me show an instance now. Let me show you my deposit. I just deposited there. Now I clicked on, if you look at those 4 buttons down, the one that is at the right, that is written mine, that's my profile. If you look at my deposit, I have 17,300 as my deposit. This money here, if I leave it till next year, is there. Nothing is going on, nothing is coming in. So, but then I want to invest it. So let me go to the home page. I want to invest it. And so that's exactly how to invest. When you have done the depositing, then you can now invest. Let me remove, it's okay. Now let me invest. Now I put it 17. I'm going to look at the package. VIP 1 is 3,000 plus. VIP 2 is 8,000 plus. VIP 3 is 16,000 plus. Remember, I have 17,300. So I think this one is the one I'm going to go for. VIP 4 is 28,000 plus. So I'm going for VIP 3 because that's what should cover what I have. Now I click on invest. Watch it. Very, very important. These are always announcements that whenever you click something or what, it will invest to plan successfully. Do you see it? Automatically the system cuts the money. I didn't need to do anything. Immediately I click on that invest, the system, knowing that the package I choose, I have enough deposit for it, and the system cuts it. Now I'm already on that investment package. From every hour now, you will see that I will start having my earnings dropping. Now let me go back to that mine page for you to see that the part of my money have been cut off, and that is how to make investment. Are you seeing it? What is now remaining here is 450 naira. I've invested this fund. From this moment, I will start earning. So you need to learn how to do this. And if you're asking, okay, how do I make deposits? Well, I'm going to prepare a comprehensive video from the beginning to the end on how to make deposits. But if you still want a quick one of the videos I posted yesterday, I was able to touch that area. It's not difficult. If you are someone who have been doing stuff like this and you're making deposits, you know that all you need to do, once the system generates that particular deposit address, whether you are using cryptocurrency or you're using Nigerian Naira, all you need to copy it. And it shouldn't spend anything more than 5 or 6 minutes. So once you've done that, make sure that at that moment you're ready to make payments. You don't just copy something and keep somewhere and say, okay, let me sleep and wake up. No. By the time you wake up, that particular address or payments, whatever generated, is already invalid. If you make payments, your money is going to get lost. So that's exactly how to do. So if you still want this, one of the things we're going to encourage you, follow us on this channel by subscribing and being a notified subscriber by hitting that bell. So that as we're going to release more follow-up videos on this site, it's just newly launched. And I'm going to encourage you, if you are ever, I'm not saying you must join, but if you're ever going to join right now. And so follow us so they can be updated on everything concerning the site. I'm going to stop at this point. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share. And if you think you want to join this system, please, I want you to join my team. You're going to see the referral link to join, the sign up link. And you can go beyond that to contact me on my WhatsApp line. I'm always available for you. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.